Start by clicking on User and then select User Groups. This action will take you to a page where you can access information related to user groups, including group names, the number of group members, and individual user details. To create a new user group, click on Create New Group. On the next page, you will be able to provide a name for your group. Once you have entered the name, click the button located below the name field to select the members you wish to add to the group. After selecting the group members, you can proceed by clicking Submit to finalize the creation of the new user group. To navigate through the existing user groups, you can use the arrows located on the top right of each column to sort the groups according to your preference. Alternatively, you can utilize the search bar to quickly find a specific group by entering relevant keywords. If you wish to delete a group, select the checkbox next to the desired group and click on the Delete button.